Hey buddies, welcome to Happy Tube. Today I am gonna prepare some tasty and healthy dish, and this is methi ke laddu. Yes, methi ke laddu is a very simple laddu prepared with fenugreek seed and acacia gum and some jaggery. According to Ayurveda, methika, that is methi, is Vatahara and Pittahara. That is, it's very helpful in balancing the Vata and Pitta disorder. It also helpful in managing diabetes, high blood pressure, constipation and hormonal imbalance. People suffering with joint pain or arthritis are advised to include this laddu in their daily diet. It is extremely helpful for women because it balances the women hormones. So let's check how to make this wonderful laddu. It's very easy, very quick, and the active cooking time for this laddu is like 10 to 12 minutes. So let's check the recipe. Let's check the ingredients. I have taken 1 bowl of washed and sun-dried fenugreek seed, that is methi. Weight wise it is 200 gram, and the bowl I have taken the methi, I am gonna refer this bowl only for all the measurement. Now we have to grind the methi in a coarse powder. Grind it for 20 to 30 seconds and you will get a coarse granular powder. Don't make it a smooth powder. We need coarse powder like this only. Now we have to soak the methi powder. For that, remove the methi in a big bowl, and the same bowl in which I have measured the methi, I will take 2 bowls of water to soak the methi. This water measurement is very important for a Now keep it aside for 3 to 5 hours. We can see the methi has soaked all the water, so it is ready for making laddus. Now heat a pan, add 4 teaspoons of desi cow ghee. Let the ghee melt. By this time, we will crumble the soaked methi and it will look somewhat like breadcrumbs. Now add the methi in the karai. Stir it. We have to cook this methi for 15 to 20 minutes. So keep the flame in low and stir occasionally. Now take another pan and add 3 teaspoons of desi cow ghee. Now we will fry the gond or the edible gum. I have taken 4 teaspoons of babul edible gum. It is also called laddu gond. It's very beneficial for your bone. Fry the gond in small batches. You can see that it is popping like popcorn. Fry them in small batches. And take it out in a plate. Repeating the procedure, I have fried 4 teaspoons of gond. Now in the leftover ghee, add 1 bowl of whole wheat flour. The same bowl I have taken to measure the fenugreek seed and water. We have to dry roast the flour. By the time, check your methi once. The dry roasting of this flour will take 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. After 4 minutes, I can see that it has changed its color. The methi is also semi cooked now. Now we will add the roasted flour in the methi. Give a very good mix. Now add 4 crushed green cardamom, elaichi, and any dry fruits you can take. I have taken cashews only. Now add the fried gond. Now we have to prepare the jaggery. I have taken this Dhampur jaggery. Break the jaggery bar into small pieces. It will help them to melt faster. Add 5 teaspoons of water. After 2 to 3 minutes, the jaggery has completely melted. We need a stretchy consistency of this jaggery. To check the consistency, just put 1 or 2 drops of jaggery in a bowl of water kept in room temperature and stretch the jaggery like this. Once you get this structure, your jaggery is prepared. Now add this jaggery in this methi. Also give a very good mix and let it cook for 2 minutes more. Your laddu mixture will be prepared. After 2 minutes, our laddu mixture is prepared. Now switch off the flame. The whole laddu making process is in low flame. Allow it to cool a bit. Don't cool it completely, otherwise it will get hardened. Just check if you can touch it with your hand and take some mixture. With gentle pressure, try to give the laddu a round shape. Yay! Our first laddu is done. Laddus are ready to eat now. You can decorate the laddus with rose petal, pistachio or whatever you like. These laddus are very tasty and healthy too. Please give it a try.
Thank you for watching.